The 911 Turbo has always been the king of daily drivable supercars, with rear seats and all-wheel drive for practice. Okay. The 911 Turbo has always been the king of daily drivable supercars. Yeah, okay. Fuck.
Alright, stop laughing, let me try again.
Did it stop?
Dude, I got too worried.
But it's not stopping?
I don't know. It made a noise and it went red, so maybe it was gonna stop it. I
don't want to get hit.
Oh, that's not gonna work. Exterior of this car is striking. It looks more aggressive than most of its German rivals. I love the signature spindle grille, the separated LED.
The front seats of the LS are extremely comfortable, and the first thing you notice when you step into the vehicle is the front seats of the LS. Opt for the F Sport package, and you get an 8-speed automatic transmission for smoother shifts and better fuel economy.
Redo that.
Opt for the F Speed. Fucking A!
No, just keep it going.
Opt for the F Sport package. It goes current speed. I have no idea what I'm supposed to say.
Okay,
what was it?
Technology to keep up with others, blind spots or some shit.
Okay.
Special thanks to Lexus of Ann Arbor, Michigan for making this Special thanks to Ann Arbor. Fuck. Right,
Entire state of Ann Arbor.
Special thanks to Lexus of Ann Arbor, Michigan for...
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, let's do like one more, then swap.
My current favorite is the cat in the hat. Let me read. Alright, we're here test driving the 2010 Audi A4. Why did I say that? Why did I say that?
This is an Audi A4?
Alright.
This car has the extended leather pack, which covers every surface in leather. I'm serious, like the roof, everything, the doors, everything has leather on it.
Yeah, even this rear... Nope, not that.